It's not bad. I don't want to sleep upstairs because I don't have that. I don't want to have to climb down.
Oh yeah.
In the middle of the night, if I have to use the restroom, I don't want to come down.
Tủ yên.
Either way.
Alright, kitchen, you know.
This is all new and I. Everything's
It's the bathroom here.
popcorn, everything.
Okay, bunk bed.
Last place we had, it's only a freezer.
Closet.
It's smaller too. Smaller in size, not the full size. Yeah.
Bathroom, bedroom number 1.
Where's mine?
Oh, am I không sống? Mà nổ mẹ hả nó?
Okay, we'll be here, huh?
Oh, okay, for you.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's a bad one, yeah. Before we even leave. Oh, this is comfortable. Look at this. Little privacy. Need a net? No? Alright, first bath. Mà tôi béo. Ồ. Đây thêm mà như mà.
Ồ, ní.
Tao phải thêm cho mà hắn tu à? Làm em vậy. Tao nhận tôi nha, tia, tao cáo nổ mới lo mà tao kinh lú con nhá.
Yeah, no, this one's going crazy.
I'm getting a bite.
You see it? You still there?
Oh yeah, he got the fish.
Oh, bobber, right there. See?
He's taking it.
See, Joey, we just okay. Put a knife. Oh, right there. But no, that yeah, the whole time.
Man, it's quiet. It's already hurt. Tao phải cái là. Man, that's
Oh, fire,
Tiny fish.
ba tòng pu mi à.
It's a tiny fish.
Was this game 1 of the Warriors? Hey, who's winning right now, Joey?
Us. We're winning by 3.
What's the score?
22-25.
All right.
Warriors. Looting.
Tonight's dinner. Team 1 nhận được hoàn thành.
Curry's already made 14 points in 1 quarter. Oh my goodness.
Ôi. Cào nhiễm bé mà. Ô này cào ấy là. You got one too, Joe? Hi. Where are you? Oh. Mày dám quài with them deck bad. Okay. Right here, okay? You see where my net is? Oh. Oh yeah, this one's a keeper.
Joey got a big old fish. Oh!
Look how he batted that guy. He like.
Pull it out. Nice.
Damn, Joey. You got a first fish for all of us.
And then, no, this not big enough.
Swim away.
Oh!
That might be Matthew. That might be Matthew.
Man, I delete Joey and put
Hey.
Grandma back.
Oh, I accidentally scooped somebody else's.
That's
It got
okay.
tangled.
Let's get the hook out first.
Who caught that one?
Not bad.
Mom said it. Mom said it's
Nãy tia
not
con là
cool.
tia như là tia tiêu. Mày quẹn đâu đó. You turn phóng mà mày quẹn đâu.
Oh, that one beat Matthew easy. Wait, we gotta wait. Oh, wait,
No, she's not in it.
She's
But
not
it'd be
in.
interesting just to see it. Where it's raining.
What's that say?
1.57.
1.57.
Yep. Oh, wait.
Okay, give my guy. Biao.
Okay, now. Here.
Where's the fish?
On the stove, bro.
Oh.
There's hella fish.
Alright.
Yeah, you don't even need to eat rice tonight, really. Jambalaya. Got some steak, ribs, mung sausage, fresh fish, sticky rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta make some room for those fresh fish, alright?
Oh yeah, this got trout in there.
Oh, got trout.
If you get a piece of trout, then you hit the bonus
The meat is red. Yeah. Behind you.
Oh.
Hey, he's giving you a competition right there, though.
You might have to weigh that one, see ya.
Oh yeah, no.
Titus is bigger. I'm calling
Nah,
it.
yeah, I ain't go.
No, you should.
He slapped my hog off. Look.
Titus is like
Here. You never know the 1.07.
Oh, dang. Now, you saw the hog action, boy.
Okay, here we go.
What is it?
Oh, nah.
Nah, not even one. Oh, 0.89. I
This is-
told you not to weigh it.
Hey, this is
I'm
this is at least a foot though. You want to keep it or? Yeah, we should have it. Keep it.
Here, let me just give it a quick
Yeah, we can fillet these up.
whip here. 13, like 13.
Yeah.
I mean, we could.
Yeah. Matthew. Okay. 1.22 mà cả. À, nắm hiền là. Những hiền gì nè là. Ooh, that's a nice one. I don't know, Titus.
That one's gonna beat mine.
Hey, you say 1.22, right?
1.22. What? Got pictures?
All right, here we go. Here's Matthew. Man, it's like right now it's between Matthew and Titus only. All right. Oh, Titus, you gotta come and look at this, bro. Sorry, man, he beat you.
How much?
Look at that, bro.
1.45.
1.45.
Picture?
All right, this is right now is first place. Ô mà bà béo nhà năm star này mới hiếu lò. Ta mà cá. Mà cá. Ô mà mình là món hiếu tôi béo ha. Mà ni chú mi cái nhá bật. Tu ha. Tu ta. Tu ta tu cái hình suốt rồi tia mà. À tia mình cho nè tí thì mình cho suốt. Mà cá là 2 lô. Hả? Là bạn hay như béo ha nó. Mày con chết phơ này, bà béo. Ồ. Đúng con đi ta phu. Ồ, lô như ổn tao. Mày con lô này nó xuống à. Hey, mom put the phone on the neck and then do what she gotta do. That looks pretty good though. That might give Matthew a run for his money. All right, I'll meet you at the front, dude. Oh, don't lose it though. Oh, dude, that's your one and only. Hey, 1.45. That's what we after. All right. 1.45. Let's see where we at.
I got high hopes.
We gotta beat Matthew.
Oh gosh. I don't think it is.
You don't think it's
I don't know.
1.45?
That don't look that big.
No confidence?
Oh, not even one. Damn.
0.92.
Damn.
Hey, not bad for the first one though.
That's not.
Now, that's at least 12 inches right there, bro. Good
Is
job
that a
though.
keeper?
Yeah, it's a keeper. Hey, dude. You're right. Probably didn't beat Matthew, but let me weigh it out anyway. Matthew, you gotta be a witness here. See if it's 1.45. Nah, dude.
What is it?
1.101. Huh? Where you at, Fat? I know. Where's your pole? Oh, that might be close. That might be close.
Well, Matthew got to come out and check. I gotta go see.
Nah, you feel it, but
Mine had a big belly.
it's
1.06.
yeah. You beat me. I got 1.02. You got third place. Titus, you see that? It's a jumper. Susie, what's on the menu tonight?
Burritos. We got
Okay.
fish. We got
Fish?
shrimp. We
What's my
got
last piece of steak that was on it?
Oh, fish, shrimp, and steak,
Oh, okay. I mean,
and veggie, right?
I was like, dude, like,
That's
okay.
good.
Let it cool down.
What-
Right.
Okay, now,
For
that's
sure you want
perfect.
some beans, though.
Oh, okay.
Because beans gonna help you, you know.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Let's fillet.
Okay.
Or
And
Titus
then for
fillet.
sure,
Okay, Titus.
this stuff everywhere.
Nice.
Salsa. You want some cool sauce?
Nah.
Jalapeno?
Okay, I'll
Add
take.
it later. What you
Yeah,
got?
I'll take some. I'll take some jalapeno.
Right there, and then
You
bam,
ready for
and
13
then
kills?
Oh, honey, grab me a plate.
blam.
Yeah, I haven't played in a while.
Oh, this is a beautiful burrito, bro.
I
I don't know if I can eat two.
Yeah, this is done.
I'm gonna try though.
You said you want shrimp?
Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm sorry. I think this is it. Matthew, what do you think?
Oh, I don't know. Is that trout?
No, it's bass. Doggone it, that's like your first one.
Yeah.
That's like your first one. Man, all right. We still got time.
That fish is good, man.
Oh, you already spoiled it.
Oh.
You made fish?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
I had shrimp the first
It's
time.
hella good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Joey, stop the cat, man.
Okay.
You put some fish and shrimp in it? Mm-hmm.
Oh, fish and shrimp?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Ruined surprise.
Where you put it, dude?
Right there, man. Next to Dad.
Oh, hey, dude, that's bigger than half, man. Thanks anyway, dude. That's bigger than half.
It's also Joey burrito too.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
You know, Joey's burrito is much smaller.
Oh, yeah, this
than
does look pretty good. You see some fish and shrimp.
Oh, that's
right there.
a
Put
surf.
as much stuff
Oh,
in
yeah.
it for him.
Oh,
Because he doesn't really like that much stuff.
No, Tyler's put in a time to fillet, so, you know.
yeah, he played it. And
And it paid off for me at least.
we're in a competition here.
That's true. Khối nhỉ? Kia là mình hiu nhé mà tiền.
What do you think? No, wait là cho tập đi mà. Hey, that's a contender, dude. 1.45.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, we gotta weigh this one.
All right, Matthew. Let's see. You might be safe still, though. Oh, you got lucky, dude.
Dude, 1.38.
No, 1.05. That's what you thought here, huh? But I didn't tell me.
Go finger. Oh, it was moving too. Nó sẽ giúp nhé.
Oh, bên trái ồ,
Thiếu tiền tiền ha.
bên trái ồ, chú chia là bún mi mà. Oh, chú luôn.
Oh yeah.
Chú ta phá nó.
Anh tiền mình nhém vào cô té.
À tiền mà làm chom tia.
À tiền tu ta.
À tiền chú ta.
Mới tiền ngắn. Hả? Giúp nhé. Mai lo.
À, mày bữa nào cũng uy béo ha.
Cô phiền á.
Ôi.
Nhưng how là đàn hay.
Oh, rồi nó đi tu mẹ. Oh, mày muốn đi nhà lông té à? Tú ta. Hả? Nè muốn mua như mình nhá. À, mà bữa im hoa idom đã ta uy béo ha. À tia bên nhá là nè anh nó lo quá. Mày quên. Chú quên nó nông tí chat như phèn mà.
Nó mày hiếu pháo, style phèn ở những quần đó.
Nah, sunya tiu kepala tahun hi dua tia ha.
No. When in one it moves too.
Mày em số mày em bung đi nang tay cả tia, em bung tay thang nha.
Oh, that's the one.
Tu ta, you need a net.
What? This is the one. Heavy too. Whoa, it's heavy.
Alright, let's see where you at. Alright, come over here, alright, Sue.
Oh, nice, this is the one.
Where is it?
Right here. Right here.
You no,
Right here,
you.
knife. Knife, right here. Good.
Oh, that is. Oh yeah, this is the one. Okay. Hey,
Oh, hell yeah.
hey,
dude,
Sue,
this is the one.
Suyo got you. Matthew.
It is for sure, dude. You can tell automatic. Don't pull it out on top of the water.
I got him, bro. I'm not gonna. Oops. Hey,
Woo, this is
hey,
the
why don't you
one.
take care of your own fish then? Do another dude, man. I think Suyo got you, Matthew.
For sure, dude. Here. Take right there.
Quiet,
Oh, it
come
puts
through the gear.
What's this? That's here.
Let it.
I know.
Right there. You're
Oh, we
good
are
now.
moving. Here, go
Yeah.
there.
Let's see.
We are starting to move. Okay.
Wait, Sue, don't go yet.
The boat's moving.
This is your fish. Let's see. What is it?
1.52, baby.
1.53.
Three.
Let me see. Show. Oh, wait. Go back a little bit. Oh yes. Hey, Matthew, Suyo got you now. 1.53.
1.53, bro. That came from right here.
Away.
Your dad's winning now. 11.58. This is the 2-pounder right here, baby.
Oh,
Oh,
wait, what? That looks kind of big, no?
Came from the
Nah.
top better for sure.
I think Sue won, man. Look at this. This was my last hope.
That's a
Hey,
keeper, though.
but
Throw it in the
scale.
bucket.
Scale wide, man. I'm here a lot, cause this one's fat. Look at this,
I
Sue.
know, that actually looks pretty good.
No way, dude. Compared to mine, bro.
I didn't see yours up close. That's
All
why.
right, we have to go just compare, Sue.
I know.
Oh yeah, no, for sure you won. Look at that. It's like a baby came home to a mama. That's what mine is. This is the winning fish right here. Hey, we just go with that official weighing. I know you said something else, but how big is that one?
This one is 1.53.
Yeah, 1.53. That one takes it. Hey, you got it in the last hour. Here's your cash.
Thank you. I should fan this, but that's
Let's do it.
$60. Take home the. Let me go like this. Yeah. All right, that's good right there. Ready? Congratulations, Sue. Next year, man. We got this.
Guys, my family gets together at McDonald's now.
On the way back.
On the way back.
Stop by, get some.
Hey, that was a good fishing tournament, man.
Yeah,
Got
it
everybody
was.
going.
Last 2 days.
I was really grinding on
Came
that.
down to the end.
Yeah, yeah. Last minute.
I lost a lot of hope though towards the end. I knew I was gonna get
After Suyo yelled hella loud,
I knew I was not gonna get it.
Thanks.
Matthew probably go, oh,
You too,
okay,
Joey.
I
man.
was like, damn it.
Look, I missed-
Hey,
I
hey,
missed
you
it.
were like an hour away from winning it.
I know. I don't know.
Yeah, that is crazy, man.
How was it- how's it
feel you're about to win? Yeah.
Wait, who said that?
Me? How does it feel
Oh,
to be a winner, man?
oh, you already
Yeah.
Wait, when did you ask him?
Like when we were on that side?
Oh.
Literally on that side.
Wait, did Matthew actually answer though?
I forgot what I said. Yeah.
I think I just said it's cool.
Oh.